Okay, I have a Sony S40 here. I have a white screen when I power it on. The screen is completely white. Um, this is an easy fix. I'll go over how to fix that. Power the camera back down. Let's take the batteries out. And there's 3 screws. One here at the top above the battery door. And let's remove that screw. One underneath the card reader. Another one by the tripod holder. And I'm going to come up here, grab the housing right there by the corner, pull that out, take the cover right off. And that gives me, gives me access to the screen, but I need to have access to the front. So I need to, right beside the shutter, pull that up. And over here is another tab, pull that. And over here is the lens cover ribbon. I'll pull that out. I can pull the whole thing out. Now I have access to the front and back. So, well, the lever was already opened up on this one. That was odd. So we'll flip up this lever, and let's just get my fingernail in there and pop that up. Now what I want to do is take the card reader off. There's a little tab right there. Push on it, and there's one right there, and I can push on it. And I can pull that reader right up, and that gives me access to the ribbon. Now I want to pull that ribbon out of there and set the camera down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a rag and spray some alcohol on it. And what I'm going to do with that alcohol, I'm going to wipe that ribbon off. I'll get right there, because there's the contact. I'm just going to wipe that contact off. What I'm going to do is pull that lever back down, and I'm going to seat my ribbon back in. Push the lever down. Now just put my card reader back in, push down on it. It should click. If it doesn't, you'll have to pull those tabs out there just a little bit. Now that part's done. Now what I want to do is take the cover, the front cover, and right up here on the bottom there's 2 little tabs. And what I want to do is, what I use is a clipper, but you can scrape them off with a screwdriver or something, and just cut those tabs right off. And with that, we'll cut that one there off. And once you get those tabs cut off, we can put the front cover back on. So now we want to grab our cover and our camera. We're going to put it in like that. Snap it back together. Now we need to put our lens cover ribbon back on. And we're that far. Now I always take this little switch, make sure it's all the way over. Same with my back plate. And if they're not matched up, when you turn the switch, you can break the switch very easily. So let's put the case back together, and we'll put our screws back in. The other one goes in behind underneath the card reader. Now we want to put our batteries back in. Put a switch in the middle and it's powered out. And it should come up to a date screen. We're going to hit the OK. And we're working. We have a nice screen now. Put it on flash. You can take a picture. That's all there is to it. Hope this helps. Thanks.